बंधक को सुरक्षित स्थान पर ले जाने के लिए पोस्ट पर पहुंच चुके हैं। इन लाइट सपोर्ट वाहनों का संचालन मनदीप पियोलॉग एवं अजय लीडिंग सीमेन मरीन कमांडो कर रहे हैं। गोलियों की बौछार के बीच सीना तान कर चलने वाले इन मरीन कमांडोज के लिए जोरदार तालियां देवी और सज्जनों।
The Marine Commandos Force, also known as Marcos, was raised in 1987. It is the special force unit of the Indian Navy capable of operating in all dimensions. These naval frogmen operate in teams of 8, known as the Prahar. They are known for their ability to operate in various terrains that includes jungle, urban, and maritime environment. Marcos have been involved in several significant operations, reflecting their readiness to respond to various challenges. The Marine Commandos of the Indian Navy play a pivotal role in countering piracy in the Gulf of Aden and North Arabian Sea.
देवी और सज्जनों, मंच के सामने आप इस समय जो हेलीकॉप्टर देख रहे हैं वह सीकिंग है, जो सर्च और रेस्क्यू का प्रदर्शन कर रहा है। विशेष अभियानों के मुख्य पहलुओं में से एक है मरीन कमांडोज का उनके असाइन किए गए मिशन को पूरा करने के बाद सुरक्षित स्थान पर पहुंचना और वापस निकलना।
One of the key facets of special operations is the insertion and extraction of the Marine Commandos once they have completed their assigned missions. Using STY technique, Marcos are flown underslung, suspended beneath the Sea-King helicopter and swiftly deployed to a designated, often remote location. This technique is suited for high-risk, anti-hijack and counter-terrorism operations, where the helicopters can safely deliver the Marcos to strategic locations or extract them after completing their mission. The Sea-King 42 Charlie helicopter is being flown by Commander Mahesh and Lieutenant Commander Akash.
మరీన్ కమాండోలు తమకు కేటాయించిన మిషన్లను పూర్తి చేసిన తర్వాత వారిని చొప్పించి వెలికి తీయడం అనేది ప్రత్యేక కార్యకలాపాల యొక్క ముఖ్య అంశాలలో ఒకటి. స్టై టెక్నిక్ను ఉపయోగించి మార్కోస్ సీకింగ్ హెలికాప్టర్కు వేలాడుతూ నిర్దేశించబడిన స్థానానికి చేరుకుంటారు. ఈ సాంకేతిక హై రిస్క్ యాంటీ హైజాక్ మరియు కౌంటర్ టెర్రరిజం కార్యకలాపాలకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది.
देवी और सज्जनों, अब आप जल्द ही हेलीकॉप्टर से कमांडोज को तेजी से लाइन पर चढ़ते हुए देख पाएंगे और आप देख पा रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार हमारे जाबाज मार्कोस तेजी से लाइन पर चढ़ रहे हैं। जल्द ही ये मार्कोस सीकिंग हेलीकॉप्टर के संग क्षितिज की ओर अग्रसर हो जाएंगे। जोरदार तालियों से इनका अभिनंदन करें देवी और सज्जनों।
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, you will witness an evolution by the Indian Navy clearance divers led by Lieutenant Commander Sonu Kumar Singh, in which the team will demolish a simulated offshore installation and oil rig, a vital economic asset of the enemy.
ఇప్పుడు మీ దృష్టిని కుడివైపు మళ్లించగలిగితే లెఫ్టినెంట్ కమాండర్ సోను కుమార్ సింగ్ నేతృత్వంలో ఉన్న క్లియరెన్స్ డైవర్లు కృత్రిమంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన లక్ష్యాన్ని పేల్చడానికి వెళ్తున్నారు.
Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze to the sky and give a huge round of applause to our brave Marine Commandos.
भारतीय नौसेना के क्लियरेंस डाइवर्स अपने युद्ध कौशल में दुश्मन के बंदरगाहों के अंदर जहाजों और तेल रिग प्लेटफॉर्म तथा उनकी समुद्री पाइपलाइनों जैसे महत्वपूर्ण अपतटीय प्रतिष्ठानों पर समुद्र में लक्ष्य को ध्वस्त करने में पूर्णतः सक्षम है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the team of clearance divers from Command Clearance Diving Team have set up their explosive charges on the enemy oil rig on your left, on your right, to destroy it. Ladies and gentlemen, our clearance divers have successfully destroyed the enemy oil rig. Please give them a huge round of applause.
देवी और सज्जनों, हमारे क्लियरेंस डाइवर्स ने दुश्मन के तेल रिग को सफलतापूर्वक नष्ट कर दिया है। जोरदार तालियों से इनका उत्साहवर्धन करें।
Amphibious ships are pivotal to the Indian Navy's operational versatility, enabling effective power projection and joint operations across the diverse maritime and littoral zones. These vessels facilitate the seamless transport of troops, vehicles, and equipment from sea to shore. Even under challenging conditions, the Eastern Naval Command operates key amphibious ships, including INS Jalashwa, commanded by Captain Naushad Ali Khan, INS Ghadial, commanded by Commander Rajan Chib. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see storming across the beach from both sides are the infantry fighting vehicles of the Indian Army. Now you will witness an astounding demonstration of how the BMPs of the Indian Army fearlessly operate in the face of enemy. You can now see a platoon of 12 mechanized infantry Paramahar comprising of 4 BMPs moving forward in a tactical box formation. Ladies and gentlemen, the platoon is now under enemy fire and will adopt the fire and move by leapfrog method, wherein 2 BMPs are moving forward to launch their attack, while the other 2 BMPs that you can see from the right side of the grandstand are providing cover fire. Now you can see the rear BMPs are crossing the grandstand, ready to neutralize the enemy. BMPs can carry 10 fully armed infantry troops over rugged terrain for 450 kilometers at 65 kilometers per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze to the left side of the grandstand as the BMPs are turning around. And now you can see the platoon is adopting a line ahead formation to engage the aerial targets. You can see the turrets training and elevating. That's how they neutralize the enemy. And now, to await the enemy, BMP has deployed a smoke screen obscuring itself from enemy view.
ఉభయచర నౌకలు భారత నౌకాదళం యొక్క కార్యాచరణ బహుముఖ ప్రజ్ఞకు కీలకమైనవి. సముద్ర తీర ప్రాంతాలలో సమర్థవంతమైన పవర్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ మరియు ఉమ్మడి కార్యకలాపాలను ప్రారంభిస్తాయి. ఈ నౌకలు క్లిష్ట పరిస్థితుల్లో కూడా సముద్రం నుండి ఒడ్డుకు దళాలు, వాహనాలు మరియు సామగ్రిని రవాణా చేస్తాయి. తూర్పు నౌకాదళ కమాండ్ నిర్వహిస్తున్న కీలకమైన ఉభయచర నౌకలు కెప్టెన్ నౌషాద్ అలీ ఖాన్ నేతృత్వంలో ఉన్న ఐఎన్ఎస్ జలశ్వా, కమాండర్ రాజన్ చిబ్ నేతృత్వంలో ఉన్న ఐఎన్ఎస్ ఘరియాల్ మరియు మన తెలుగింటి వాడైన కమాండర్ జయంత్ రావ్ నాయకత్వంలో ఉన్న ఐఎన్ఎస్ ఐరావత్. ఇది నిజంగా మనకి గర్వకారణం.
देवी और सज्जनों, जिन लैंडिंग क्राफ्ट्स को आप समुद्र तट की ओर आते हुए देख रहे हैं, उन्हें उभयचर जहाजों द्वारा प्रक्षेपित किया गया है। ये लैंडिंग क्राफ्ट हमारे थल सैनिकों को इन्फेंट्री फाइटिंग वाहनों जैसे कि बीएमपी में उतारते हैं। भारतीय नौसेना के लैंडिंग क्राफ्ट मैकेनाइज्ड पोत बहुमुखी प्लेटफॉर्म है। देवी और सज्जनों, एलसीएम ऑफ फ्लेयर्स दागते हुए मंच की ओर मुड़ रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियों से इनका अभिनंदन करें। उन्नत नौवहन प्रणालियों और मजबूत डिजाइन से लैस एलसीएम हल्की जलधाराओं में काम कर सकते हैं, जिससे ये द्वीप क्षेत्रों और मानवीय सहायता मिशनों के लिए आदर्श हैं। ये क्राफ्ट त्वरित तैनाती, आपदा राहत और तटीय सुरक्षा अभियानों में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। तट पर सटीक लैंडिंग करने के लिए उनकी क्षमता ये सुनिश्चित करती है कि नौसेना भारत के समुद्री हितों की सुरक्षा और संयुक्त बलों के संचालन को समर्थन देने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार है।
Landing craft mechanized vessels of the Indian Navy are versatile platforms designed for amphibious operations and logistical support. With robust capabilities, they enable the transportation of troops, vehicles, and equipment directly to shorelines, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with advanced navigation systems and a sturdy design, LCMs can operate in shallow waters, making them ideal for island territories and humanitarian assistance missions. These crafts play a critical role in rapid deployment, disaster relief, and coastal security operations. Their ability to perform seamless beach landings ensures the Navy's readiness to safeguard India's maritime interests and support joint forces operations. Ladies and gentlemen, look up to the skies and you will see the daring Marine Commandos of the Indian Navy proudly displaying the Indian tricolor and the Indian Naval Ensign. These daring Marine Commandos are from INS Karn, commanded by Captain Rajesh Dhami. And now, from this breathtaking aerial perspective, watch as the Marcos leap into action from the Advanced Light Helicopter. The on-site camera captures every thrilling moment, the wind, the free fall, the sheer expanse of the sky below. It's an immersive view, putting you right in